TM6 gets a software update. Most times it's when they're adding a new mode to the machine. When the mode gets delivered, it may not be in a place you want it because you're used to your modes being in a certain place. To rearrange the screen, we tap the three dots in the top right-hand corner, then tap Edit View. You select the item that you want to edit, and then you tap the arrows until it's in a position that you want it to be. You also have the option to hide the mode if you wish. Tap Save and it's done. Thanks for watching.